Every fest begins as an idea, but it takes hundreds of hands to bring it to life. We faced challenges, we had fun. In the end, we made memories. This is the making of Semaphore 2K25. Hello Tech Rebels, welcome to the world of Semaphore 2K25, where the circuit meets creativity. And the future isn't coming, it's already here. The flash mob is going to happen in a few minutes. Let's hear it from the audience how they feel about the flash mob and the semaphore as well.
Well, we are actually excited this time. It's our first semaphore, and since being the juniors, we are excited what seniors have packed for us.
ಜನ ಇಚ್ಛೆರ ಒಂಚೂರು ನೇಚರ್ ಉಂಟು ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಜನ ಆರ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಜನ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ರಾಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಡೇ isn't it guys?
As you have already seen, we have the busiest member of our Samka, who is the captain of the ship, Mr. Kiran K, and the president himself. We'll ask him how his experience is in the making of the semaphore. Kiran, how is semaphore? Are you having
Like
fun?
me.
Okay, are you having fun?
Yeah, fun, responsibilities, curiosity, excitement, everything.
Okay, what is semaphore to you?
Semaphore for me, enjoyment, making a new friend. It's not like a class and all. So I'm so excited.
It's been total chaos, a lot of arguments, a lot of problems, but we're surviving, you know. I think we haven't prepared this much for exams.
Is it fun?
Yes, it's absolutely fun.
You are enjoying the moment?
Obviously, I am enjoying the moment.
Yeah, semaphore is going good, and we are like trying our best to manage the content with the academics.
Yeah, we are having fun. Trying to make it fun.
Semaphore to me is everything,
Semaphore is your everything?
because we have only one fest which we organize.
Strength is we get through things. That's the strength.
Attendance?
Yeah, we get free attendance. That's one perk, I guess.
Since we already saw the trailer of the semaphore,
Yeah.
we saw your acting skills as well. Do you have anything to say about that?
But acting wise, I'm not good with acting. But yeah, tried my best.
Especially the paper falling, was
Yeah,
it
that,
planned?
yeah, it was like not planned, but we took almost 20 to 30 shots. In trailer, we got a good shot and it came out really good.
It was really how's your team?
Yeah, our team is they're good actually, but first we misunderstood them that they're very boring, but now they're actually very very good.
Unity is there?
Yeah, obviously there is a great unity.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
Are you regretting?
No. So let's see what will happen in October 9th and 10th, and we'll try our best to give a proper justice to the social media.
Hashan, free for an interview?
What?
Do you have time for an interview?
Sorry, I'm busy.
Hamza, is it fun?
Full fun.
As of today, we are just a day away from semaphore. And as semaphore comes near, we have a lot of work pressure and we have a lot of work to finish. As they see here, the Tech Talk team is working on the blast. We'll ask them how the preparations are going. Amrita,
Yes, guys.
how the preparations are going?
Our preparation is going on. Everyone is working hard and they are trying to make this event the best.
Now we are checking the internet connection where everything can clip up on.
It's a bit hectic, but we are doing great till now. We are stage committee, so we are supposed to be taking care of the MC, the coordination among them, and we are ready for Semaphore 2025.
Much more things have already happened and much more things are already happening now. So we have our juniors and these are my classmates working on this.
Preparations are going well, and we are setting up the things which are required for the first 3 rounds.
How's the preparation going on?
It's going on well. Yeah, it's going good.
And full preparation should be done. So yeah, we started at some 11:30, 12 o'clock and we now at 4 o'clock we ended it. Preparations are going good, but we can't understand if the participant is a boy or a girl looking at the name. I think that is the only challenge we are facing right now.
Hi Hi Prachur, how's it going?
Yeah, it's going great. Yeah, this time we are planning something unique. Like previously, the people are like doing like bazaar round and all. This time we thought that we are using KBC, like Kaun Bane Crorepati round and all.
How's your team? Are you guys having fun?
Yeah, I'm having very good team. And our event our committee is the head. He's working very hard. Be frank.
Having fun?
Of course, I'm having so much fun. No, it is, but yeah, when like works are shared between the people, it's not that a burden for us because our juniors also are they are working so much. Even yesterday they were here till 7.
They are all fired up. See.
Okay. They all are doing their best.
Yeah.
You like this team?
Yes, sir, very much.
How's the teamwork?
It's cooperative.
Okay, are you having fun?
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Is it hectic?
Hectic but also fun at the same time.
Actually, it was very hectic first of all, but every junior worked very hard and they gave their best for every moment.
We have a professional team and they are working hard for the event.
All are involving in each and every activity.
They are
We are
putting
very
their best.
best efforts to get success. Yeah, they are playing the role very enthusiastically.
Manish, what's your plan for tomorrow?
Yeah, we will give our best.
I hope everything goes well. Our event becomes successful.
As she
said, we hope everything goes well.
Your team is nice.
Very nice. Yeah, because of all of their hard works, we are expecting a grand coding success.
How's the Josh?
Yes, hi sir. Oh yes sir.
How's the Josh?
Hi sir.
Kiran, how's the Josh?
Super, fine.
Very high.
Yes.
Are you tired?
No.
Kanna, how's the Josh?
want to have some lunch before.
Once.
You are hungry?
buns. Yeah, I'm hungry.
And I am hungry, guys. How many days you passed without sleeping?
Every day. Not every day I used to sleep.
Slept?
Yeah. Sleeping is my hobby.
Okay, cameraman. When was the last time you slept? When was the last time you slept?
Yesterday night,
You slept?
but very late. I slept at like around 3:30.
You are busy editing videos.
For everything,
Very busy.
social media is working very hard. Me and Artik are putting a lot of efforts in
can see the content.
making the promotion for Semaphore. Like, share and subscribe our Samka, follow Semaphore and make it a grand success.
Many people are putting their efforts into making the department shine as bright as possible during this Semaphore event. We have the decoration team with us now. We'll ask them how the
Doing very well and look, as you can see,
we want to enjoy. How's the preparation going on? Good, thank you.
Great. Sessions are going good.
Very funny. Okay, as you can see, everybody are giving their best. Kick hard thanks. Event get nice and how excited are you?
Very good.
Very good. You have more responsibility. So, how you be feeling?
out of words. I don't know what to say. Pressure. No, I'm not tired.
We just came now.
No, I was supervising everything.
Santu, how are you? Ben the cameraman. I love that person very much.
Okay, so how are your seniors? Yeah, our seniors are so excited because they saw their last presentation. How are your seniors?
Very good.
I'm so excited. So high. Okay, they are having fun and they are giving their best. The escort team is taking their volunteers for a campus tour. We'll also go with them.
These people are very high.
They are giving their campus tour. We'll let them do that. We'll move on to the next. So the Semaphore is just a few hours away. So we'll ask our HOD how she is feeling about the Semaphore and what she is expecting from the students as well.
The expectation is high. The students have been at it. They are preparing very well for the event.
Let's talk to the staff coordinator, that is Dr. Ananthamurthy sir. Let's see how he is feeling about the Semaphore.
It's going very nice and it's a good experience for me also. The student team is also very good. They are working hard.
This is a wholesome development for a particular student. How to manage a team, how to convince their team to do excellent work, how to pull off a particular event, how to pull off a particular task successfully. And I've been noticing the students, they are doing excellent work.
At this particular moment, I feel very happy that they have come up with a new theme and the arrangements are very good. I'm very happy to be a part of this particular team.
What is that one suggestion you want to give to the first year students who are gonna carry on this semaphore for next year?
You observe, interact with your seniors, network with your seniors. They will not only help you in the departmental activities, not only that, it will be helpful for your placements also.
This particular team has set one particular milestone. So obviously they need to come up with a greater achievements. They have to come up with new ideas.
And this semaphore is a platform which will bring the students together. So the students start gelling with each other, knowing each other, which will be helpful. It will forge certain lasting friendships, which will be helpful in their future also, in their career also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time. We have people who are coloring the floors with the beautiful colors. We'll hear it from them how they feel about semaphore. Waiting till 5 or 6:30 in the college without going home. What is your motivation and how do you feel about semaphore?
Yeah, it was like very beautiful to work with the team and people appreciated our work. So we felt that our hard work was worth it. So I'm very glad to be part of this event.
We have actually planned. We are working very hard at night. Hard. Yes, definitely. Definitely.
Students are really working hard. It's like whatever the time is, like 11:40. Even it's few hours to go. The students are working hard.
So I think semaphore will be a grand success.
Yeah, there is no doubt that semaphore will be a grand success because it already been a successful event for most of the years. In this year, it will be even more successful. I will be very thankful for all the students who have worked there and who have contributed their time for this thing. Thank you, Ananda.
So as Vaishak sir mentioned that the semaphore will be a grand success. Let's see what's going to happen in the next 2 days. So signing off, Santaj.